Bruce is working on the center wall doorway.
I'm going to have 25 inches on each side of the box. Now to make a straight edge, you don't have to measure 25 inches down. Let me show you a little tip here. You take your yardstick. Yardsticks are so important. Take your yardstick, 25 inches, and what you do is you just put your finger up against this edge right here at 25. You take your marker and you start, and look at this. And you work it all the way down.
You'd think it'd be time to cut, but wait, don't cut yet. Bruce has some other ideas.
But see, we just don't want to cut it and pull the whole thing out, because what I want to do is create the thickness in the wall, and we happen to have a 12-inch box here. So what you're going to do is we're going to come in 12 inches. Remember that little tip I told you? You put your ruler at the edge here and run it all the way down, where we're going to cut this solid at 12 inches all the way through our cardboard. On this edge, what you're going to do is you're going to take your utility knife. You have to be very, very careful. You're going to just score it. You're just lightly going to go through it. And the purpose of that is after we get this cut, we're going to bend it backwards, and we're going to have a 12-inch thick door opening, which is going to look awesome.
Just a few measurements, cuts, and a few screws. Look how awesome this looks.